Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars, we have their 1999 Ford F-350 Super Duty. This is the 7.3 liter Powerstroke mated to a 5-speed manual. That I've always wanted to say that. I've always wanted to drive a manual truck, and might as well start with the Super Duty. This was built to haul a camper, and then it had a bunch of coach work done. 169,000 miles, and it is absolutely mint. Well, I don't know if it technically counts as a 5 or a 6-speed, because it does have low. So here's the thing. Here's the throws. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, which is also marked as drive, reverse, low. But we'll go into first, and you'll see what I mean, where you almost don't need low unless you're really hauling something crazy. There's first. Do have a CB radio. Can I get a copy on the radio? It's not on, but do have trailer brake controller. So that is some of the shortest. See how red line is like 3250 and your usable power is all under 2500. Gear ratios are very, very short. And then this is what this truck was meant to do. Haul on the highway. I'm doing 65. Happy as can be. This thing could be towing a camper all day long. I've never driven something that gives me classic semi-truck vibes like this. I feel like I'm in a semi-truck. You got a manual, you got the diesel, you got 2,000 RPM worth of power band. You've got the noises of a stereotypical diesel engine. Oh, I'm in love with this. I honestly think though you should, if you're not towing anything, start in second. If I have to gap in traffic to do it. Ow. I love diesel torque. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.